just want Ashley. How'd I
That's what you missed in my previous vlog. Me and my mom went out to Mumbai Beach. We had so much fun. The swimsuit was popping, but I was so bloated, y'all. The food out here is something different, and you guys know we've been eating. We have all inclusive, so we haven't missed a meal. So go check up on the previous vlogs. You guys already know when I'm on vacation, I break up everything into different vlogs, as in one day will be a vlog, one night, or get ready with me. I'm trying to make the best of it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this docu-series of Aruba travel vlog, and I'm gonna see you guys. Well, you know what? You already know what's up.
Your lips are telling me yes, while you're kissing on my neck, making me feel so.
Start getting dressed. Of course, I'm gonna start making me a drink, and this is like my go-to drink. It's all it is Casamigos, which is tequila and sparkling water. And I know it sounds simple, and a lot of people might not understand it, but it's for hydration, and it grows on you. The taste is, it grows on you. Okay, so I put my hair like this, kind of like my brush up showing. It's the last night out here, so it's fine. So I just got this cute Aruba hat I just bought today. Goes perfect with the outfit. These earrings are from me and my mom's vendor. If you guys don't know, me and my mom own a marketplace. I'm always, have to plug them in. And this cute little dress. It's like everything's out, but we're on vacation. You want to show you your outfit? No. There, sorry, your outfit. What? Yeah. Casamigos soda. So it's basically just Casamigos with water. And then. Okay, so we're heading out. First we're gonna go to Fat Tuesday. It's literally right across the street from our hotel, and we're gonna enjoy our last night here. We'll be up tomorrow by 7 in the morning though. I'm holding my purse with this. Yes, this is my purse. I'll show you her purse too. It's cute. Camera off. The strip literally has everything. It has restaurants, it has bars, hookah, karaoke, and all that good stuff. It's cool. It's it's a chill vibe. The DJ, he not doing his job, y'all. His job, no. The music is kind of whack. All right, y'all. So we're heading back to our room. We walked. If we took a taxi, it would have been $10 flat rate for
3-minute drive.
Well, right, not even a 3 minute. That's so funny.
Yeah, that's crazy.
So we about to be greedy or room service. So if you stay at this hotel, room service is 24 hours, y'all. But it's not full menu. It's not full menu.
That's good.
It's still good. We have to finish packing, and that is it. Because we leave tomorrow morning. We did that thing. We did that. I need to charge up too. I have so many vlogs to edit. So many vlogs. I have to edit an entrepreneur pop-up shop thing that me and my mom did, my graduation vlog, and then Aruba stories. But yeah, and then I can finish packing. But I had so much fun. You had fun?
I had fun.
Good.
I always do Aruba.
Yeah, even where I travel, I make the best of it. But yeah, I have fun, period, regardless.
Which one you like better, Aruba or Belize?
Aruba.
Aruba, definitely.
Why?
But at least it's more so a relaxation. I like to relax too, though.
Damn, party.
Nah, this is better. And I like hotels more. Whew. That's a workout, that damn hill. So they wrong. Where? Why do you think they go to a party? Well, it's a bar right here. Alright. If she was by herself. I think we were taking too long. Yeah. Alright. Yes. Hi, can I place an order? Okay, can we get 2 club sandwiches? 1 nachos? No, that's it. Alright, thank you. You too. No nachos. And you threw away mine. Alright. So alright, so we need to finish packing.
Alright. Completely finished.
Yeah. So tomorrow morning we can just leave.
That's why we came early. No more.
Okay, yeah, we could have left later. And it's so crazy. This is like the second person that ran out on a bill
That we saw.
But that's his fault.
That's not cool.
It's not cool, but it's his fault. He should have been on it.
But see, here, maybe they have a trustworthy people. They're not used to the.
Yeah, they're not used to people running out. And the sad part is, he don't remember how that looked.
You just know they black.
Yep.
That's the sad part.
So we did last minute. Oh, packing. We did high tech sandwich too. I don't even like, oh yeah, just order. It's on the same guy we had yesterday. All right, I'm about to finish running around and we're gonna pack a little bit. I'll show you guys what we ordered once room service come. Hopefully they do come, because yesterday they did not come. All right, so we got some food. And they gave us a little lid this time. These sandwiches are smaller than yesterday's too.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, and that is it. We're going to miss this view. Well, I'm gonna miss waking up to this view. All our bags are packed and about to head to the airport. They said there's a shuttle, so we need to find out if there's a shuttle or not. Somebody said it was gonna be a shuttle picking us up. If not, we need to get a taxi. We'll see. Okay, so we made it to the airport. The process was kind of quick. We got here super early, and this airport don't open till like 9 o'clock. We got here like at 8:30. And if you're coming out here, there's 2 checks. So you have a regular TSA, and then you have USA TSA. And then customs and all that good stuff. That's it for my Aruba vlog. I didn't vlog that much at the airport. I was just sleeping majority of the time. And those layovers, no joke. But anyway, I had so much fun. I have so many memories. I cannot wait for my next vacation.
I will actually probably go back to Aruba. I don't know when, but this was a whole vibe, and it was just everything positive, good energy. I only had one bad experience with one person, and she was friends of my mom's friends. But that's here or there. I'm not going to, think about the past that much. But yeah, I had so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed my vlogs. I'm going to see you guys when I get back to America and to go back to my regular schedule, which is entrepreneur life, vlogs, lifestyle, and all that good stuff. So I hope you are subscribed. Go subscribe. I have content coming every day. I have tunnel vision right now. I have a goal to meet, and I'm going to make it.